Hello students. So today we'll see few problems on maximum and minimum value of a given function in trigonometry. So now here I have written hints which will be very helpful to solve it in one or two steps. So suppose a function is in the form of a sin x plus b cos x plus c. It is in the form of a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Then its maximum value is given by this formula, that is c plus root of a square plus b square, where a and b are coefficient of sine and cos. And similarly, minimum value of this function, same function is there, minimum value is given by c minus root of a square plus b square. Second hint, if a function is in this form, that is a sine square x plus b cosec square x. So sine square, it's a reciprocal cosec square. Similarly, a tan square x plus b cot square x, reciprocal of tan square cot square. If it is a cos square x plus b secant square x, so reciprocal of cos square is secant square. Then you are required to use this condition which you have studied in school or even in first year in sequence and series, that is arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So now on this I will take example. So first one, if I take first one, the minimum value of 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 8 is options 5, 9, 7, 3. So now minimum value has asked. Now this function, if you observe, it is in the form of a sin x plus b cos x plus c. So minimum value of function, so minimum value is given by formula c minus root of a square plus b square. So now substitute. So this is equal to c is nothing but 8 minus root of square of these coefficients, that is 3 square plus 4 square. So this is equal to 8 minus. So if you simplify, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, you will have 25 root 5. So 8 minus 5 you will have 3. So our answer or option D is the answer. Clear students? Similarly, if I take second one, the value of x for maximum value of 3 sin x plus root 3 sin x plus cos x is 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Here you are required to find value of x. So first I will find its maximum value. So maximum value will be, maximum value is equal to root of a square plus b square, because here c term is not there, means c is 0. So if this is 0, root of a square plus b square. So this is root of a square, root 3 square is 3, b square, coefficient of cos is 1, so 1 square 1. If you take root, you will have 2. So maximum value is 2. Now what you do, you put these options in given expression and check which one will give you the answer 2. So now put options in given expression. So first I will take option A. So root 3 sin 30 plus cos 30. So if you simplify, root 3 sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 is not equal to 2, correct? You will have 2 root 3 by 2, 2 gets cancelled. So A is not our answer. Now substitute option B, root 3 sin 45 plus cos 45. So if you simplify, sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So root 3 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 cos 45. You will have root 3 plus 1 by root 2. Again, this is not equal to 2. So 45 is not our answer. So now substitute option C and check. So root 3 sine 60 plus cos 60. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 into root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3 will have 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So LCM is same. So you'll have 4 by 2, 2. So you have got answer 2. So option C is the answer. So option C is our answer. Clear, students? So what I have done, first I have found the maximum value of this. Then I have checked the options for angle, that is X. So then substitute these angles. For which angle you will get, that will be our answer. That is, here we have C. Now similarly, next if I take third one. Similar to last problem, the value of sin theta plus cos theta will be greatest when theta is 30, 45, 60, 90. Again, first I will find maximum value. Maximum value will be root of a square plus b square, as a c term is not there. So a is 1, b is 1. So root of 1 square plus 1 square you will have root 2. Now substitute the options and again check for which value you will get root 2. So put options and check. So if I go from A. So if I substitute theta as 30, so you'll have sine 30 plus cos 30. So sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So you'll have 1 plus root 3 by 2, which is not equal to root 2. So A is not our answer. Similarly, if you check B, sine 45 plus cos 45. So sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So here LCM is same. So numerator will be 2 by root 2, 1 plus 1. So this is nothing but root 2. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 by root 2. 2 can be written as this. So this gets cancelled. You will have answer root 2. So our maximum value is also root 2. Means answer is our option B. B is the answer. Clear, students? Similarly, now if I take fourth one. Minimum value of 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta is options 13, 9, 6, 12. So now see here, this is based on this third hint what I have written here. Now if you observe, here tan square is there, its reciprocal cot square is there. So I will be using this condition, that is arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So arithmetic mean and geometric mean of these two terms. So arithmetic mean is given by a plus b by 2. Geometric mean is given by root of ab of two terms a and b. So arithmetic mean of these two terms will be 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta whole divided by 2. This should be greater than or equal to geometric mean of these two, that is root of 9 tan square theta into 4 cot square theta. 9 tan square theta into 4 cot square theta. So minimum value of this function, so this 2 I will take to the RHS, so I will have 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta greater than or equal to 2. Root of tan square theta into cot square theta is 1. because they are reciprocal, that is tan theta into cot theta is 1. So tan square into cot square will be 1. So what remains? 9 into 4. So this is greater than or equal to 2 into 9 4s are 36. 36 square root is 6. So you'll have greater than or equal to 12. Greater than or equal to 12. So he has asked minimum value. So minimum value will be equal to 12 because other values will be greater than 12. Means our answer is D. Option D is our answer. Clear, students? Similarly, another problem if I take. Now again here if you observe, here cos square is there, here secant square is there. So you are required to check which condition will be true. So cos square is there, secant square is there. So again you apply that arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So arithmetic mean if I take cos square x plus secant square x whole divided by 2 is greater than or equal to geometric mean of these two, that is root of cos square x into secant square x. So again these are reciprocal, so get cancelled and you will have 1. So cos square x plus secant square x is greater than or equal to into root 1, or you can say greater than or equal to 2. This is nothing but our f of x. So f of x is greater than or equal to 2. So our answer is D. D is our answer. Yes, students. Hope you like this video. So please share with your friends and ask them to subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.